finalize in the long term.
18 trainees of the 48th batch of Field Assistant of the Conservation Training Institute, Bernihat, were felicitated by the Department of Soil and Water Conservation in the passing out ceremony at CTI Auditorium in Bernihat. Out of the 18 trainees enrolled during the session 2021-22, 15 of them are from Soil Conservation Department, Assam, 2 of them are from Arunachal Pradesh, and 1 trainee is from Soil and Water Conservation Division, Resu Belpara. Dr. Joram Beda, Secretary Soil and Water Conservation Meghalaya, was present along with I. Rinja, Director Soil and Water Conservation, besides other officers of the department. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Joram Beda said that passing out trainees are an asset to the department and the state and urged them to share and exercise their knowledge of conservation to raise the level of concern of the environment.
Pretty sure that you had a very comprehensive training program, and I must say that the essence of such a residential training is not just to give you technical knowledge, this is also to forge a lifelong relationship amongst you as officers. And especially in the current context of the northeastern region, this association that you have forged during this 11 years of training will go a pretty long way in, helping your professional career and as well as unifying the Northeast.
The National Institution